So these two friends bought a commercial property together in Singapore. One guy used the second floor to run his temple, and he also opened a store on the first floor. But after a few months in, the other owner stopped paying his share of the mortgage. He only paid for the first 2 installments. Eventually, their relationship broke down and one of them said that he wants out. But they can't agree on how much their respective shares are worth. Now they just sold the property and they're fighting over who gets what. The Singapore courts delivered a verdict that could affect thousands of co-ownership situations. So if you're a property co-owner, you need to hear this. One co-owner stopped contributing financially, while the temple owner was covering almost the entire mortgage and handling upkeep. So when they finally sold the property, the temple owner says, "I've been carrying this whole operation. I deserve to be reimbursed and my co-owner should get less from the sale." What does the law say? The Singapore Appellate Division had to figure this out using something called equitable accounting. It's basically a legal way of saying, let's balance the books fairly. And here's what they decided. The temple owner gets reimbursed for the mortgage principal he paid, but not the interest. That's because he was in sole occupation of the entire property and also gained a financial benefit. So the court treated those interest payments as a notional rent. That is the cost of getting exclusive use of the property while the co-owner didn't get access. With great property power comes great property responsibility and costs. Do you think the court's decision was fair? Should the temple owner have gotten back all his payments? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments.